Hello everyone, this video is about project planning in Odoo apps. It helps user to creating planning in the project module only so that planning details are updated automatically from the project. So directly we go into the project and here you can see few projects are created, and if you want to create new project you can directly click on the new tab and you can see wizard will open, and here you can name the project and everything, and then you can click on create project and your project will be created. I have already created one project user test, so I will go into this, and here you can add stages as many as you want to add. Just clicking on the plus stage sign. I have already created two stages, and let create one more done stage. And after creating that, we can create a task inside this by clicking on new button here from here, and we can also create a task by simply clicking on the plus sign. And you can see we have to add task title, so I am adding test module and simply click on the add, and after clicking on the add you can add as many tasks you want to add. So I will click on the test module which I have created just now, and from here user can create a task for a particular project with allocated time and deadlines. Assign are added, then based on the assignees provided in planning module for this assignee users, the project and the task should be shown. So let's assign the assignees. I am assigning this project to Abigail Peterson. Then we have to set deadline, and we can also allocate the time for the particular task. I'm adding 14 hours or 15 hours, and we will just save it from here. Okay, so this will be assigned only by the admin, which is administrator for the project, which we can assign by going into the settings. Here we go into the user and company, and we go into the users, and here we go into the Michelle admin, and here we have assigned Michelle admin as an administrator in the project. And let's see, in Mark I have assigned a project as a user, so Mark doesn't have any access to add assignee or anything else in the project. Okay, so we have created one which is user test the module, and we have assigned the assignees, plan date, allocated time, and everything. From here you can also add tags, customer, and here is the three stages which we have created. And from here on clicking this button you can see, like, you can directly change from here also the stages and the marks, which is change requested, approve, cancel, and done, and it will automatically update it into the planning apps. So right now we go into the planning, we go into the list view, and we will add a filter resource. And here you can see in Abigail Peterson, we will go to search our project, which is, yeah, user test the module. So allocated time, deadline, what is the role of this person, and project and the task will be shown over here. We can click on the view button to see this, and here you will get all the details for the task. Right now it is in progress, as we have already updated over there, that's why it come here as a in progress. If again I go into the project, and let's suppose if I click here as a done stage. Okay, I just saved, and here you can see project is done. Now if I go into the planning, again go into the list view, add the filter, we go into the apical, and here we see, here you can see it is automatically updated as a done. So this is how it will work. And let's suppose right now I'm logged in as a Michelle admin, and now I will logged in as a Mark demo. Yeah. After logging as a Mark demo, I will go into the project, I go into the user test, I go here, and if I want to add any assignees, let's suppose I have add Eka Foster, and I try to save, it will give me an access error that you don't have any access to create this record. So this is how this module will work. If you have any query regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.